When you've set up a new company in IMS, if you go to File and you've added a new company, and let's just go in and add a company for illustration. I'm going to go ahead and click Add, and I'm going to go in and create a company called IMS Company and finish. So now I've created a new company called IMS. I'm going to go ahead and click out of there. Now I want to go to that company and do some editing. So I'm going to go in and edit. First of all, I'm going to switch companies. And in order to do that, I have to log in. Now the reason we do this is because you might have different levels of security set up if you have more than one company set up. If you're an engineer, you might be doing this for several communities. If you're a community, maybe you got it broke down by different departments or whatever. So I'm going to go in. Now I'm logging in as the administrator. And actually I want to go to the new company, which was IMS company. Click on that. Log in. So now I'm in the new company. The next thing I want to do is edit that company. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit. And this is where I can put in the name of the city or customer, and then address information, and so on, so we can fill out all these fields. Now the IMS logo is, part of our software program, but if you want to put your logo in there, you can remove ours simply by clicking on Remove Image, and you can upload your logo. This will customize the reports either for your city, or if you want and you're doing this work for multiple cities, you can include their logo per each company or each different city name. When you're done, you simply hit Save, and you've created a new company using your logo. So we'll go ahead and X out of here. In the Edit button, we can go in, and this is again where we're going to go in and set up our levels of security. We would do that by each city. Under Utilities, there's some important functions here. First thing is database backup. Remember that IMS is like any other software program. You need to save the data, and you need to save it routinely, because if you lose it, there's no way to get it back. So make sure that you're backing up your database and sending it to wherever you want to save it. When you click on this, you're going to have a choice of destinations to send that data to. And you'll set that up in your office. You might be backing it up to an external hard drive, or maybe a tape drive, or to your server. But again, that's important to make sure you save that data. If something happened, if your files got corrupted and you needed to restore that data, again, you would simply go down, click on Restore, and when you click on this, it'll say that your database is going to be changed. Are you sure you want to go forward? When you do, you'll find that database and restore it. Another time this comes in useful is, let's say that you were having some issues that you thought needed our attention. We might have you go to Database Backup, click on it, and then save it to your desktop, copy it, put it in an email, and send it to us. We can look at the database to see if there's anything wrong with it. If there is, we can make corrections. When we send it back to you, you would hit Restore it, and you would have the new database. And then finally, the Help menu. When you click on About, it'll tell you a little bit about the software. For example, here we can see we're on version 2.0. If you called and needed help, you click on the Support button, and there's our 800 number. Plus, there's some system information on here that's helpful for us in identifying what you're running IMS on, and that helps us diagnose any problems that you might be having. And then finally, under the help menu, if you click on help, the manual would pop up right here.